Okay, so here's another Amazon KDP niche that I'm giving away right here. As you can see, the keywords here is drunk animals or drunk animal coloring book. Okay. As you can see here, let's go to bestsellers. Okay, as you can see here, very low result count, only about under 200. And of course, I put on bestsellers, and you can see people are buying these books. Okay, here's Cocktail Cats, has over 83 reviews. This Color Me Drunk has 316. This Drunk Cats has 12. Okay, let's look at their BSR. If we scroll down here, well, the BSR they're not showing up right now, but as you can see, Drunk Animals here, coloring book, Drunk Animal coloring book, Drunk Cats, Drinking Animals coloring book. Okay, so this is a popping up. This niche is popping off. People are buying and selling. Okay, these types of books online right now. So I went ahead and I went to Nurie Creator and I started creating a drunk bear coloring book. Right, so I just basically picked off the pages I like best from the prompts that I created. Now, if you want to add more value to this, very simple. Let's go here. This is something I always recommend people who use Nurie Creator is to add more value by adding colorable text. First and foremost, we want to enable the copyright page and test color page. This is done automatically. Okay. Like such, I just hit this button and you can see this is going to show up. You also have the option to put in page numbers. But again, when it comes to coloring books, I don't recommend that because page numbers are not that important. People just don't have um, page numbers in coloring books. Okay, so let's put in drunk bear coloring book like that. And you can of course change the font if you want. Author name. Let's put in I don't know, Teddy Benz like that. And that's the author name. Let me blow that up for you. See here, it's going to populate this area right here. As soon as I click enter, you're gonna see it's gonna say Teddy Benz right here. Okay, see Teddy Benz Drunk Bear coloring book. You can always add font here. Let's put in a day at the bar like that, and it's gonna populate this area right here. Check this out. Boom, any second now. Right there. Of course, I can increase the font size if I want. All good stuff. Now, what else I want to do here, after doing all this, what I want to do is actually go and create my book cover so that you can, so that you can attract more clicks and ultimately more sales by getting your book cover right. I'm going to get out of here real quick. And very simply, you want to make sure you add the correct size. So 8.5 by 8.5. I'm going to keep it at 60. And I'm going to add, sorry, I forget that. I'm going to look that about. Okay, let's put that over here. Let's write it here. Drunk bear coloring book. And let's take that, copy that, bring it down here, paste it there, and click generate front cover. Now you're going to see a beautiful book cover created for this coloring book very fast. And of course, it's going to help you get the this is going to help you get those clicks, right? So we have this drunk bear coloring book, right? Very simple. In the back here, you can add some text if you want and download it, generate PDF. You just upload this to Amazon KDP. They have the buyer traffic. You just sit back. All you got to do is target the right niche. If you have any questions, let me know then in the comment section. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe.